Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I am going to show you how you can set password in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So go to start menu. From here go to setting. In setting you need to search accounts. Go to account and here select this one sign in options and go to password. Sign in with your account's password. Select this one. We need to add password in our account. Your account does not have a password. You must add a password before you can use the other sign in option. So I'm going to add password. Here you need to create new password. So I'm going to create my password. You can also add hint so you can easily understand. And click on next. Click on finish. So if I click on finish, if I restart my PC, my password will be activated. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.